Why your Samsung Galaxy S6 is stuck in a logo loop, and how to fix it. Is your Galaxy S6 stuck endlessly on the Samsung logo? Let's break down why this happens and how you can fix it. First off, this logo loop happens because your phone keeps restarting but can't finish booting up. Software corruption is a top suspect. Failed updates, interrupted installs, or resets can mess with system files. Your S6's software maxed out at Android 7.0 Nougat, and support ended years ago. That makes it more vulnerable. Next up, hardware degradation. After a decade, parts like your NAND flash memory get worn out, causing boot errors. When the memory can't read or write data properly, your phone gets stuck trying to start over and over. Battery issues are also common. A degraded battery can't supply steady power, causing the phone to restart mid-boot. The S6's non-removable battery doesn't make this easier if it's swollen or failing. Replacement isn't DIY friendly. Overheating or physical damage also lead to trouble inside your phone. Drops, water, or heat can fry connections. Remember, the S6's plastic build made it less rugged than newer models, so be extra careful. You might also have cache overload or a bad app causing the phone to crash as it tries to start. So, is your phone doomed? Not necessarily. Let's see how to revive it with some easy fixes. Step 1. Charge your phone fully using the original wall charger. A low battery often triggers the loop. Plug it in and wait at least 30 minutes. Don't just connect to a PC. Use a proper power source. Next, try a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 20 seconds to force a reboot. No data lost here. This clears temporary glitches that might be freezing your startup. If that fails, boot into safe mode, power off, then hold volume down while hitting power until safe mode pops up. If it boots here, a recently installed app is likely crashing your phone. Uninstall those from settings greater than apps. Still stuck? Try clearing the cache partition, power off, then press power plus volume up plus home until recovery shows. Use volume keys to select wipe cache partition and press power to confirm, then reboot. If that doesn't help, a factory reset might do the trick, but beware, this erases all your data. You do the same recovery button combo, but choose wipe data/factory reset. Back up first if you can. When software solutions fail, hardware is often the culprit. Battery or motherboard issues need pro attention. Swollen batteries or loose connections can cost $50 to $100 to fix, which might be more than the phone's worth. If repairs aren't viable, recycling is a smart move. Programs like Cells for Cells turn old phones into cancer support funds. Even a dead S6 can make a difference when its parts help fund vital cancer research and support. To recap, software fixes work 30 to 50% of the time, but hardware problems need pros and have lower success rates. Start with charging and cache clearance. They're your best shot before considering costly repairs or recycling. And if you need to let go, do it responsibly. Recycle at sellsforcells.com and turn a loss into hope. Got your S6 back from the brink? Drop a comment below and share your rescue story. Don't forget to like and subscribe.